Okay. Well, let's get on with it. So, I have this new low string here, and it is actually low, so you can see that I'm not in the green area. This would be too low. But here is actually where it gets good. Yeah, so it's the perfect pitch. Let's make a K5 LAR24 horn, okay? Okay, and possibly others. So, what I'm gonna do here is, and trust me on this one, it's gonna sound phenomenal. So you click this, then click this up to 15 times, E5. Okay, then comes out with that great result. Or, if you want to go higher, then you can do yep. So, yeah. And let's make a K5HL. And K5LLA. Okay, there we go. And that's all for today, so see ya.